Suprabhat, a very good morning to all of you. So, with the Honorable Prime Minister address to the nation, after his speech, after his address, once again, this time also in 2021, we are going to celebrate International Day of Yoga in online mode virtually. So this will be our seventh International Day of Yoga, which we have to make it successful with our full participation, not just only participation but also making our near dear ones aware about the International Day of Yoga, importance of yoga, benefits of yoga, and its transforming nature with a long and consistent practices of yogic practices. So now we are moving towards the celebration of International Day of Yoga on 21st June of this 2021. On International Day of Yoga, Swasth Bharat Kendra WSSF wishes you a very happy International Day of Yoga. Let's we move towards the pure and the natural and the real promotion of yoga in country welfare, in public welfare, and also in a human and social welfare, leading towards global peace. From here now, when we are going to celebrate International Day of Yoga, then it's our responsibility to make it successful, make this celebration successful with our participation, and just not only the participation, already I told, to make people aware also and to take a resolution also. On the very beginning of New Year, in some video, I remember I told you all the people, I addressed all the nations and the country people, that let's we make a resolution for our health, for our good health, maintaining our good health, protection of our health, and with this, treating all the diseases and disorders with the yogic practices. So, with the formation of resolution for your good health, let's we all celebrate this 7th International Day of Yoga to make it successful. The Indian people, Indian citizen, and including all the international people, international citizen, global citizens, let's move towards the celebration of International Day of Yoga and its successful celebration with the resolution to protect our health. And in this pandemic time, we already know, and it has been well proved, that yogic practices can transform just not only immune system but the whole body biochemistry, leading towards a complete well-being and a complete very nice state of health, whether that is from alveolar point of view or respiratory system point of view or immunity point of view. So we all have to move forward towards this holistic, natural, and the Indian ancient knowledge of keeping yourself healthy, happy, and complete well-being in all and every aspects. With this, once again, Swasth Bharat Kendra WSSF, including me, wishes you all the people, all the global peoples, a very happy International Day of Yoga. Let's join hand to hand to make it successful, and with the resolution, let's move towards the global health, leading towards global peace. And in India, we all the Indian people, let's move towards making our Fit India movement successful, Swasth Bharat Abhiyan successful, and thereby, giving a small and little contribution towards the successful success and successful completion of this Fit India movement, leading towards a complete healthy India, happy India, and the wealthiest India. The health is very much important. Without health, we can never imagine anything. The more we will be healthy, the more we are going to be efficient and productive also. Let's think about it. With this, once again, a very happy International Day of Yoga to you all. Thank you so much.